Hello, it's Joy from Crochet Road. Today I wanted to show you how to make a magic ring in one of the easiest ways that I've found. I was just playing with it this morning and I realised how similar it is to making a slip knot on your hook. So let's make a slip knot first. Start with the yarn tail across your palm, make a loop with the yarn, hold it between your thumb and your pointer finger. Let the working yarn just hang freely and place your hook down through that loop. Grab the working yarn, pull it through, and then pull on both tails. So you have your slip knot on your hook. It's one of the first things you learn when you learn to crochet. Amazingly, the magic ring is very similar to that. So you have a tail hanging across your palm. Make sure it's quite long because you do need to be able to weave that in securely at the end. Make a loop in the same way, holding it between your thumb and your pointer finger. But instead of letting the end hang freely, you also hold that end between your middle finger and your ring finger, or between your ring finger and your little finger, whatever's comfortable to you. Hold it quite taut, and then you place your hook down through the loop, grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. This is the different step that you're going to do. You're going to twist your yarn hand towards you so you can see that yarn. You're about to grab it, pick it up and pull it through the loop that's on your hook. And you've made a magic ring, just like that. And you pull your tail out from the center and you're ready to start working into the magic ring. So I hope that helps you if you've been struggling. It's really amazing to me to see how similar they are. So have a great day. Thanks for watching.